Hey everyone, welcome to the Smart Flicker. Today, we're diving into something a lot of us struggle with, but don't always talk about that feeling of being ambitious but stuck. You've got big dreams. You want to do something amazing with your life. But instead, every day feels like the same routine. Wake up, scroll, overthink, repeat. Maybe you've got the ideas, the passion, even the plan, but for some reason, you just can't start. Here's the truth. You're not lazy. You're just overwhelmed. And the good news? That stuck feeling, it's fixable. So if you've ever felt like your motivation disappeared, your energy is on zero, or you're waiting for the right time to get moving, this might be the reset you didn't even know you needed.
Have you ever thought to yourself, I want to do big things with my life? But then hours pass and you've done absolutely nothing. You scroll through your phone, maybe binge a few episodes. You wanted to work on something meaningful, but it felt like too much. So you say, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow becomes next week, and next week becomes next year. Let's be real for a second. It's not that you're lazy, it's that you're overwhelmed. Your brain isn't broken. It's doing exactly what it's designed to do: avoid discomfort, seek pleasure, scroll instead of write, snack instead of run, watch instead of build. But here's the thing. Ambition without action just becomes guilt. You feel bad, not because you're incapable, but because deep down, you know you're meant for more. So how do you get out of this cycle? Here's how. We're going to break the ambitious but stuck loop in 3 simple, doable steps. Step 1, make it tiny. Ridiculously tiny. Big goals are heavy. Write a book. That's 200 pages. Get in shape? That's months of effort. Start a business? Where do you even begin? So your brain panics. It shuts down. But what if instead of writing a book, you just wrote 1 sentence? What if instead of running 5 miles, you just put on your shoes? The trick is this. When the goal feels too big, make the starting point so small it's impossible to say no to. Want to learn to code? Google one concept. Want to meditate? Try 30 seconds, not 30 minutes. Tiny actions are the gateway, because once you start, it's easier to keep going. Progress doesn't come from massive effort. It comes from consistent action, no matter how small. Step 2. Build routines that remove thinking you don't need more willpower. You need fewer decisions. Willpower is like a phone battery and it drains throughout the day. But routines? Routines are like having your phone plugged in all day long. They take the thinking out of it. Here's what that looks like. Want to read every night? Leave your book on your pillow? Want to eat healthier? Prep your meals once a week? Want to write daily? Set a timer for the same time every day. Build triggers into your environment. Make the next action the obvious one. One small routine, repeated daily, can change everything over time. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. This might be the most powerful trick you'll ever use. Tell yourself this. I'll just do it for 2 minutes. That's it. Want to start a project? Just open the dock and write for 2 minutes. Want to clean your space? Just tidy one corner, for 2 minutes. Want to exercise? Stretch, walk, do jumping jacks. For 2 minutes. What happens next is simple. You usually keep going, because starting is the real barrier. Once you push past the start, momentum kicks in. Think of it like rolling a ball down a hill. The first push takes effort, but after that, it rolls on its own. Reward the start. Your brain loves rewards, so give it some. After you finish your tiny task, reward yourself. Listen to a song you love. Grab a coffee. Take a breath. This creates positive reinforcement. Over time, your brain starts wanting to start. It's not about grinding 10 hours a day. It's about making starting feel good and repeatable. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent. Everyone you admire, the authors, the creators, the fit people, the successful ones, they didn't get there because they were superhuman. They got there because they showed up. consistently. They didn't feel like it every day. They failed, slipped, started over, but they kept taking small steps, and those steps added up. And now it's your turn. Your dream? It's not dead. It's just waiting for a spark. So here's the challenge. Pick one thing. Break it into the smallest possible step. Do it for just 2 minutes. Celebrate. Then do it again tomorrow. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now, even if it's tiny, because consistent small action beats occasional perfect action every single time. Your future self is counting on you. Start today. You've got this.
And hey, if this gave you the push you needed, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real talk like this. And drop a comment telling me the one small step you're taking today. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up even just for 2 minutes. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.